Hi guys, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe it. We are providing all type of assignments of all the subjects in the PDF and the handwritten form, which is paid. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. Now here we are discussing question number 6A. Before starting this, so we will surely if you need any other help, so you can contact us anytime. So the question is that this project aims at familiarizing you with the common vegetables and the type of plant modification they represent. Recall your lesson 6 and take the help of both your elder snow Peter or any other source. Enjoy completing this project. Visit the nearby vegetable market, your kitchen garden, collect various roots, stems, and leafy vegetables so as to study various plant modifications. Study them carefully and take their photographs or make diagrams. Collect at least 5 specimens, each from stem, root, and leaf modification. So we have prepared all the answers according to the word demand and according to the chapter. If you need answer of this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching.